Hello class, as promised I'm back and I'm here to discuss how I organize the class within Blackboard. So let me get the screen started and we'll discuss that. Right, I just brought up the federal attendance module, and this module is a landing page right now. When you first get here, I need you to go ahead and click policy agreements and agree to the policy agreement. This is a federal thing. It's connected to your student loan money, so everyone is required to do this. It's very important to the university that you do it. Once you do that, and everyone has completed it, I will change the landing page at that point to announcements. So we're going to go ahead and go to announcements. Notice on the announcements, here's the email that I sent to you at the bottom here. I sent out to everyone on August 14th before classes began, and it has your textbook and your software for programming listed there so you'd know how to get the materials you need for the course. I also provide this video about how to organize Blackboard, and then I also have how to email me. So that's what's there now, but what I use the announcements for is any changes I make in the course. I might modify an assignment, I might move the end date, the due date, I might change some other item. So I'll make that announcement here. I will also post any kind of internships or jobs in here, things that come from the university. I will post it here so you can read it. So make sure you check this often because there'll be important information here on occasion. Also, notice we have a new link here called syllabus. That is where I will have the syllabus, but not just in this one location. I will also have it within the information area, and we'll go over that area in just a second. I wanted to point out email the professor link. This link will allow you to email me directly within Blackboard within this course. This is nice because it keeps all the emails related to this course in one location for me. It makes it easy for me to tell who's emailing me from what course. So if you will use this, that will help me out. Of course, naturally, when you choose from here, you're going to choose the instructor and it'll send the email to me. I will have a teaching assistant, so you'll be able to email them and you'll be able to email everyone in the course. You'll be able to pick out or select users. If there are groups, which I haven't set up at this point, you'd be able to pick a group and send emails. So this is very handy because when you're actually working in the course, it's right here for you to use, and it's also good because it keeps all our emails together where it's not jumbled with a lot of other emails that are not associated with the course. Also, I have a WebEx that I'm going to use for the office hours, and I want you to be sure that you install WebEx meetings. You can go to campus support and find out how to install the WebEx meeting software on your computer if you need to. I'm not real sure where that is, but they have a web page. Go and look at the web page. If you can't find it, email them and they will help you out. Next is the information link. I have my contact information. I even remind you, email the professor link. Use that. The syllabus is here, just as it is there, so it's easy for you to find. Tentative course schedule is here. It's also embedded in the syllabus. So I pulled it out of the syllabus and made it a separate document so that you have it in both places. Textbook information is here, and the syllabus overview video is here as well. So make sure you go and watch this video. Next, I have discussions, and we have discussion forum. This is for you. This is for students to share if they're having trouble understanding how a certain thing operates, how it works. You can help each other. I don't want you to give actual answers, but I want you to tell them or explain how things work, how a certain statement in the program actually acts, and let that person figure out how to use it and make it work for their program. All right, so this is a good sharing tool for you all to be able to share with each other. I don't mind you helping each other as long as you don't give point blank answers, okay? So if they're having a problem, here's the example I gave. My program does not print the result on the screen. So a possible answer might be, have you checked to be sure you're using the correct header file? So if you know some mistakes they might be making, you can ask them, did you check this? Could this be the problem? And help each other out in that way. I'm fine with that, especially on the lab type work. Of course, not for tests. All right, so the next area I want to talk about is the content assignments, and notice there's a link here to the discussions, so that's linked. So it's easy for you to get to. The content assignments area is where the actual course material is located. I have a Getting Started folder, I have Chapter 1, and there are other folders that are hidden from you right now that I'm actually busy creating. So you will start here when you are ready to actually start working on your course. In here, I have a reminder to complete the federal attendance module. I discuss what we will cover in the textbook. We only go through Chapter 8, so that's as far as you have to go for this course, but naturally there are other courses that go further. I have the first day video ready for you to watch. There is a syllabus video here as well in the information area. Be sure you watch that, and then there's a quiz regarding the syllabus and the student handbook. So make sure that you take that quiz. And again, this video is posted again for your convenience. And the very last item are the instructions on the Visual Studio and how to install it. That's all for getting started. And then naturally, you'll begin Chapter 1 once you complete those items. All right, that gets us through my organization of Blackboard. There are a few other things here that are not really anything I'm concerned with. The federal attendance module will go away once everyone has completed that. And then the rest of this is totally up to you whether or not you use it. All right, so I'll be talking to you again soon.